Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. And today's Tàijíquán Tip is to consider that often when you practice, and I'm not thinking about it at school, I'm thinking about it at home, but often when you practice, you are entirely alone. Probably people in your space understand that you're practicing, and unless something's on fire, you'd like not to be disturbed. Maybe it's just 3 minutes of practice, maybe it's 30 minutes, maybe it's a whole hour, maybe it's 15 or 20, but perhaps, even the cat and the dog kind of recognize this is your practice time. I just sit and watch, and then we'll go for a walk, we'll play later. But in our lives as adults, we don't often get an awful lot of alone time with ourselves. And when we do kind of get alone time, we might be absorbed in our phone or the television or a book or something. So we're not exactly present. We're alone, but we're elsewhere and maybe with others in a sense, right? Such as with a book, I'm with the other characters. So recognizing that when I'm practicing my Tai Chi Chuan at home, let's say not in class, I'm alone. I'm entirely alone. So today's Tai Chi Chuan tip is to be penetratingly honest with yourself. Nobody's going to overhear it. Nobody else has to know. You don't even have to do anything about that honesty. But the idea is to be penetratingly honest with yourself. Are you cruel? Are you a participant in the act of blaming? Are you short with people that you needn't be? Are you impatient? Are you prejudiced? Are you the problem somebody else is wrestling with? Are you unkind? Are you jealous? Are you harming others? Are you harming yourself? Are you eating less well than you tell people you do? Do you lie? Practicing Tai Chi Chuan is an act of presence and often some privacy. Can we use that privacy to be penetratingly honest with ourselves? So I'd like to say enjoy that, but I imagine that'll be hard. And to be honest with you, I'm still working on all this stuff. I'm just Steve, not master. Thank you.
Thank you very much for the tips. They really helped me stay in business and stay alive. This last one, I'll show you ways to get in touch with me on my link tree. So appreciate all the support and shares. Thank you.